Presenting a pre-owned 2019 Dodge Charger. This four-door sedan has a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Dodge is a great value with less than 17,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city, and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include anti-lock brakes and stability control.